Hi everybody, Jason with Course Motorsports here. Today we're sitting in a 2011 Nissan Armada. We're going to be doing an installation of our Course Motorsports Direct Fit phone mount. To do the installation, you'll need a couple tools, some extensions, an 8mm and a 7mm socket, maybe a Phillips head screwdriver, and some trim tools. So to get going here, first thing we're going to do is take our trim tool, and you want to get behind this little cubby right here. We're going to have to remove that to gain access to some screws. So stick your trim tool in and kind of pry away. It's held in just with clips, like so. Now, to be able to easily remove it, I'm going to put the ignition on and get the shifter out of the way. I'm just holding the brake down. So we're going to pull this away. You've got 3 wires to detach, which are essentially a squeeze clip and a pull. This guy here is a little bit hard because it's the pushy guy on it is slightly behind this, but like so. There's your clips. Pretty easy. We'll set that aside. Afterwards, there are 4 screws, 2 here and then 2 up higher, kind of back here. You'll have to get down and look up in there. So we're going to remove those 4 screws. At this point, you can probably also put it back in park so you don't roll away. This is why it's good to have some extensions, because these 2 are pretty far up in there. And try your best not to drop these 2. Once you have those 4 screws out, this whole surround is just basically held in with a bunch of clips. There's 2 down here, and there's 2 like little round spots. I can put my fingers right in there, give it a pop. Just kind of pull the rest of the way around, and it'll just pop right off. Which then is going to gain you access to 2 screws. These are the 7mm screws. So I'll switch my socket here. We're going to loosen this one. This mount will work on either side, but for the sake of trying to not block the screen that much, we're going to put it over here on the right side. So remove the screw that you want to put it on that side, loosen the other, pull the screen forward a little bit, take your bracket and slide it right behind. And then we'll reapply our screw. You want to just kind of push up on the bracket so that it falls onto this step that's in the dash here. We'll tighten this guy back down. Pick your surround up. Make sure you don't pinch any wires. And I like to lift the bottom and you get these 2 guys kind of in place first, which sort of helps to align everything else, and just push all these clips back in. Like so. And then it's just the reverse. We'll switch our socket again, and we will put our screws back into those 4 places. And then we will turn the ignition on, push the brake down, move it out of the way, and then we will reconnect our 3 electrical connectors. Like so. And just simply line your clips up, pop your guy back in here. Put it back in park. And that's all there is to that. Next, we're going to take our box of goodies. We'll open it up. Inside, you're going to have an alcohol pad that you can use to clean the back of your phone off. A steel ring with sticky back, which that's why you would be cleaning the back of your phone off if you needed to use it. You do not need to use that if you have a MagSafe Apple product. A course sticker with a QR code that takes you to our site. MagSafe magnetic head, aluminum ball, and an Allen wrench. So we're going to take the Allen wrench and the ball out first. We will thread the ball onto the stud pressed into the bracket. Then you'll take your Allen wrench, put it in the end of the ball, and just give it a snug so it stays nice and tight. And you'll take out your MagSafe magnetic head. We're going to take the collar off the back of it, drop it over the ball, pop it on, and then you can aim how you see fit and tighten down the locking collar. Last but not least, this is where you'd put the ring on the back of your case if you needed it, but this is a MagSafe case on a MagSafe device, so it just simply sticks to it, and that's all there is to it.